So hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you everybody for all the great support. I'm going to do the giveaway now for the Rimgards. I let this go for a week. A lot of great feedback. It's so hard to choose, it really is. Like I said, I wish I could give everybody a set. Maybe eventually I'll get there. But for right now I have just one set to give. But like I said, don't get discouraged if you didn't win this time, because I won't give the same person multiple giveaways. Try to keep it fair. So just keep entering. Like I said, I'll keep doing these giveaways too, more and more for you guys. So you can all take part in some great stuff here. So like I said, it was a tough thing to choose, but as you know, I had to select one, so for no rhyme or reason, I just try to randomly select somebody. You guys are all great supporters, so I really appreciate that. So the winner, when I announce, you'll just have to tell me if you want the black set or the gray set for your wheels. Okay? And I'll shoot you an email, and then we can get you all your contact information and get that sent out to you. Okay? So the winner of the wheel locks for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway this time I chose is Glenn Osborne. So Glenn Osborne, appreciate it. Thanks for the support as always. Definitely reach out to me, send you an email. We can get those sent right out to you. Like I said, for everybody else, keep trying. I love the feedback I'm getting. Thanks for all the great comments, the support along the way. You guys have been real supportive. And like I said, I'm going to keep doing this and try to get more and more things going for giveaways, so more and more people can get in on this too. But for right now, at this point, I just have this one set. But I'll be doing another one too, for sure. So I hope everyone's being safe out there, doing good. If you haven't, definitely check out Rimgards. Check their website. I'll put it in the description too. Guys, they're phenomenal wheel locks to protect against the wheels, since this has been a huge issue. People getting their wheels stolen on these cars. So like I said, it's a small price to pay to avoid damage to your car, avoid a costly deductible depending on what you have it set at. This is a way cheaper option. So definitely check them out. Check the description. Again, I appreciate all of you guys. I do. Can't wait to talk to you guys next time. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.